Hey everyone, if you want to ask questions in NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM's AI chat feature to get answers from your documents and research materials. NotebookLM can analyze your uploaded sources and provide answers based on the information inside those documents, making research much faster. Start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Choose a notebook that contains the documents or sources you want to ask questions about. Make sure your PDFs, notes, websites, or documents have already been uploaded and processed. Find the AI chat area where you'll enter your questions. Type a question related to your sources, such as what are the main findings of this report. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions to explore details or clarify information. Ask for summaries, statistics, conclusions, definitions, or explanations from your documents. NotebookLM provides answers based on your uploaded sources, helping you verify information more easily. Save useful answers and insights into your notes for future reference. For better results, ask clear and specific questions rather than broad or vague ones. A common mistake is asking questions about topics that aren't included in your uploaded sources. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to ask questions in NotebookLM in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.